everybody, Joe Patty here. And today I had to go take my son to go buy a special watch for his special trip coming up in July. And that darn thing was over $300, so I'm glad I had my emergency credit card on me. But I hate that. I hate using that money. But while I was out, I've been feeling really down lately and really busy, so I thought I'd stop by Michael's and get me some goodies, and I wanted to share that with you guys because I'm so excited to make some new stuff. So I used my emergency credit card and got some goodies. I'm going to have some fun because I want to create some stuff. Need to keep my mind busy and have some fun. I got some really cool stuff, some paints that I haven't seen before, a few paints and a few things. And what I like to do, I've actually taken mirrors and put it in a pillowcase, and you break up the mirrors or break up tiles. I've done mosaic floors. But if you take mirrors or things like this, these rocks and things, these things here, if you put them in a pillowcase and you break them up, I did get some mirror here. They break them for you nowadays. But if you already have a broken mirror, that's a really good idea. I painted some, I did a black and white bathroom for a client. It was really cool. It was all done in black and white with gray. It had black and white checkered floor, whatever. And I painted the baseboards and all the trim in black, like a gloss black. And then I took chips of mirror and I put it all around on top of the black trim board and baseboard. And I turned it into this 50s style bathroom. I had pictures of James Dean and Marilyn Monroe and Elvis in there. It was really cool. So that was a long time ago. But anyway, now they make these. I wish I'd have had that back then. I could have just glued it on the trim. Now I break it up anyway. But you put that stuff in a pillowcase, like with these beads. You put them in a pillowcase, and you take a mallet to it, a rubber mallet, or a hammer, and you smash it all up. And then you have all these chips of this real pretty glass and stuff. And then what you can do is you design with that stuff. Even this, you can take these things and you just smash them up. And that they're all contained in the pillowcase too, so which is cool. They didn't have some of my favorite stuff that I needed, but I got what I could get for the money, and I'm excited to have it. All right, you guys, I just wanted to show you that stuff. It was a fun day. Arrivederci.